The pleasure. Thanks for coming.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, Ajay Upadhyay.
So thanks for coming.
I'm glad to be here.
Where's Arvind? Manjula, where's Manjula? You have to come together, yeah. Otherwise, Ashok Khanna and Anjali.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Shake a leg, shake a leg. Ashok and Madhu.
Let me also invite my deputy director. Let me
Oh, please, please.
Professor Chaturvedi, please come here.
Please join us here, please. Introduce him. That will be a better idea.
Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, the person next to me on my left is Professor Ajit Chaturvedi, who is the deputy director of this institute at the moment. He's one of those 100% IITK, BTech, MTech, PhD, and he's a professor in electrical engineering. He was earlier the dean of research and development, and after a brief gap, now he's back into administration as deputy director.
Nice to meet you, sir. Come. Your name has been announced, yeah.
Thank you, madam.
Now you got the ticket, you can come. Come, Ashok and Madhu, come. Asim and Prabha.
Right. Okay, thanks again for coming. Thank you, madam. Namaskar.
अकेले आओगे तो मार खाओगे टीवी का है
यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट इतनी रिस्पेक्ट करना
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
Thanks again, sir.
भास्कर and Elena and after that Brijbhushan and Namrata
नहीं आप धीरे-धीरे जाइए, नहीं तो confusion हो जाएगा.
नहीं आते हैं तो आने में टाइम लगता है
Okay, thank you again. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
okay followed by Deepak and Rita
No, this is the second term. Okay, thanks again. These are the photos that get to.
and since you take some time to come Tullu and Valsa
Start going to office now. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much for everything. It was a nice day.
Thanks very much. Thank you, madam.
थैंक यू
Jagdish and Asha please follow कहाँ गया लखनऊ चला गया क्या
So now to thank you again.
जगदीश शुक्ला and Asha
Very much.
It was really a pleasure.
Great, and
Oh, they
we
left.
love your hospitality. Thank you very much.
JP and Sarita
Jagdish Shukla, I think, is gone.
Okay.
On my behalf. Thank you very much.
Thanks. So let me hand over this
I
to
didn't
you.
know that you are all IIT product, otherwise we would have played a prank with you. Which we did in our early days. We switched Dr. Muthanna's house name plate with the girls' hostels, which used to be just
Abdullah, please follow.
Okay.
Acha, Kaplesh and family have left, I think.
Thank you. Thank you.
Whatever marked in yellow.
Kuldeep and Manjeet.
Well, bathroom singer.
Kamlesh and Abdullah.
Thank you. Right.
Kuldeep and Manjeet. Om Vikas and Pramuda.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
so much. We had a lovely time. Thank you.
फिर अकेले आ रहे हो?
Thank you so much.
To be followed by Padma and Meera.
Thank you. Namaskar, madam. I'll follow it up. I have this thing. I'll follow.
To be followed by Radheshyam and Geeta.
He went out and came back.
Padma and Meera.
Thanks again. Thanks for coming. All the best. And please do come back.
राधेश्याम कहाँ हो भाई? राधेश्याम. Radheshyam and Geeta, they've gone. Okay.
Rajendra Kumar, yeah, Raju.
Oh, sorry, Rajendra Kumar and Padmaja.
So you're really green. Evergreen.
Rakesh and Shashi.
Thanks for thanks. Thanks for
Enjoy our trip.
Are you there?
They have gone.
They have gone. Acha. Ramesh Gupta. Oh, Ramesh Gupta is here. Okay, Rakesh and they gone. Ranjit Singh. Ah, good, good. That's nice.
I apologize for not shaking your hand.
Huh?
Oh, okay. So
Oh, okay. All the best.
All electrical. That's all. What's your good name? Dr. Ranjit. Okay, Ranjit. I'll just give you my card. Yeah, you
Ramesh Chand Sharma.
Right.
great.
Santokh Singh.
So thanks again.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for coming. Santokh Singh.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Santosh and Suman. Come.
Ramesh, Radhan Sharma ji.
Oh, he's come. Radheshyam, please come. Acha, you can come. Aram se aaiye, aram se. Santosh, come in the meanwhile if you want. There's no need to hurry her up.
Aye, no
No,
problem.
there's no
We have
no need to hurry.
time.
There's okay.
Please come.
We are at an age where we have all the time in the world. There's no problem.
Thanks for coming. And thank you, madam. You went to Bittur? No. We skipped that.
We are in Kanpur.
Oh, I see. So far, there's nothing to
Santosh and Suman. Satish Bhatnagar, Mr. and Mrs. Satish Bhatnagar.
That's all.
Satish gaya hai kya?
Namaskar, madam. Please come back again. Oh, definitely.
माइक तो बहुत तेज है यार। ओ अच्छा अच्छा, ये अभी थोड़ा कम करो। हाँ, ओके। मिस्टर मिसेस सतीश भटनागर चले गए क्या? अच्छा, शैलेंद्र नाथ and वीना। शिव प्रकाश और सुनीता।
Thanks again for coming. Namaskar, madam.
Next is our name, but we probably do it last. Okay, Sudhir and Indira. He's gone. Acha. Sumant and Uma. हाँ.
Sure.
Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Surendra Mohan and Pratima.
Please do come back again.
Yes. 5 years from now.
Suresh Prasad and Saroj. Thomas and Prema.
For coming and again, please come. Yeah?
We'll definitely meet when we come to Bangalore.
Okay.
In any case, we are going to meet.
Suresh Prasad and Saroj.
Thank you for coming.
Thomas and Prema. Matthew, please come.
Take the picture.
Oh, sorry. Oh, Tom.
Thanks again. All the wishes to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Vishwanath Shukla and Asha Shukla. Vishwanath Shukla and Asha Shukla. चले गए? अच्छा अच्छा। Yasnavan and Kalyani.
Thanks very much. And
Neil Sabarwal, where are you? Come. Mamta and Ashish are here.
Tell Professor Manna who Mamta is.
Yeah, I will.
They are Naresh Dixit's family.
Yeah, we mentioned, yeah, okay.
And Sushanto and Swati Ghosh.
Bringing your mother. Thank you, sir. Thank you for Madam, hope you enjoyed. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, all the best.
I'm wondering where my wife is. Swati Ghosh, Rita Ghosh.
So come and now a
Very
special thanks to
nice
you.
to have met all of you, and very nice to come back here. And all the best to all of you.
For
Come
you
here.
and Madam,
Thank
thanks
you so much.
Oh,
Thank
you're
you
out
very
of the
much.
frame. Please come
We
here.
had a great time. Thank you for all the arrangements that you did.
अपने शोकेस में तो आते जाते देखा करेंगे हाँ
Land holdings are changing. People are becoming more independent. India like is come हो गया. Everything was nobody was
All were together.
everything was together. Gurgaon and all that, they're coming home.
Are they coming to colonies and setting up a camp kind and doing?
They must have the
Or maybe
I have to do the right.
some came in the bus.
It's time for me to thank you all again for being kind enough to come, and I think you represent about 25% of the batch, which is, or maybe more, maybe 30% or whatever. So it's very kind of you that you came here, and I certainly would like to convey our apology if there are slips on our part in organizing the event. Whatever it is, I say certain things to my students and my colleagues, and let me repeat the same thing here, that all of us basically have no choice about two things in our life. One is the parents, and the other one is the alma mater. No matter where you go, what you do in your life, all your life you have to write B.Tech or M.Tech or whatever IIT Kanpur. So it's the same relationship that we share with the parents. And even if there are certain problems with the parents, which often happens, children always complain, and so do the parents about children, but we can't live without each other. So it's the same thing. It should be like taken in the spirit of homecoming. So we are very glad you all came, and we certainly are missing those who couldn't make it. But for all of you, very best wishes on behalf of the Institute and on my personal behalf.
Thank you so much.
On behalf of the class of 1964, I take this opportunity of thanking the Institute, and just to let you know, sir, that we enjoyed our visit here. We really thought it was homecoming. It was nice to be back and see where we were staying and to feel part of this campus. As you say, yes, it's B.Tech, IIT, Kanpur will always be there. Yeah. I request Padma Jyoti to come and propose a vote of thanks, please.
And Deputy Director, and all my colleagues from 1964 batch. I think we spent 1.5 days here, and we are going back with tremendous amount of feelings which really bubble up, since the day we arrived, and to the various campuses brought back many memories. And I met Kaplesh last night. So till yesterday night he was fine. So after our that anecdote session, so he became so soft. So I think crying, was he crying? So he was very sorry to see all of us leave. and I think he had left in the morning. So that's the frame of mind we are all in. But I think I must have to record our thanks to some of the people who made this reunion possible in such a wonderful way. I think top of the list, Director, Deputy Director, Professor Prabhat Munshi, Professor Venkatesh, Lalita, and her team of very young volunteers. And I think they deserve our heartfelt thanks. Please give them a round of applause. But to come here, I think there was a lot of work which went in through emails and through mainly through emails. And I think Dilip Williams, Pawan Kumar, Kamlakar Trivedi, Tom Matthews and Raju, they were in charge of producing that wonderful souvenir. I don't know if you had a chance to look. Please do take a look at those pictures and some of the stuff they have written. So, and many others. And then, of course, Sumant, who made such a nice and tribute to our friends who departed in such an eloquent and such a poetic way, which really touched our hearts. So I think everybody has contributed in a small way, but I think these are the people who really work behind the scene to bring us together. So our special thanks and gratitude goes to all of you. And now we have already started to plan about our 50th, the real Golden Jubilee. Am I right? Yes. That you will be here again in 2019. So I think without that pledge, I don't think we should leave this place. So we'll all see you again in 2019, and hopefully with all of you here, and maybe with a slight fine-tuning of some of the arrangements which you talked about just now. So thank you very much, and again, thanks to everyone that is here.
Time for lunch, everyone. Please join us.
अपने ये रख दो कुछ नहीं
आराम से खाना खाओ नहीं अगर होशियार होते
Class of 69, batch of 64. While you are busy eating, I'll be talking a little bit, keeping you entertained. The black bag which you have has an interesting poem in it. Please read it, not now, but when you are relaxing and in a good mood. And what I have there is just a little pledge for you. You don't have to fill out any numbers. Just sign it and give it to me as a blank check. I will fill the numbers. And now, what I would like to suggest while you're eating, I did have a small discussion with some of you who did not go to the tour. And I will be sending a mail to all of you about some of the projects which are of interest to students. And you will probably read them a little more detail in the email which I send you. So please keep track of the email of your batch coordinator, who will forward it to the lead. And I hope that you will read that and follow up in letter and spirit, and we'll see all of you back in 2019, or even before if you wish. So, thank you.
जितना अच्छा है उतना ही उसका नेगेटिव
Yes, sir.
Never forget. No, I have not a very humorous poem in Alice in Wonderland.
लैडर को छोड़ के रखो पॉलीमर प्रोसेसिंग में
This may be this is like
इंटरनेट का बोझ पूरी उसमें कुछ
अलग नहीं अभी ये क्या है not for other neighboring countries. No, for a long time. Not recent.
no, but there were many practices which earlier a lot of Iranian students used to come.
Oh, that was in the 80s. I remember that.
But that is all stopped now.
That's not. But Nepal is going on.
Because they were more interested in football than Egypt.
But they were very good at it.
Very good at it.
Yeah, I remember. No, but Nepal we used to have. I mean, NITs and all have been having a certain number of seats.
So we would like to explore.
Make it an event. Yeah.
I'll ask
Yeah.
No, the trick is I supposed to take the mandap.
अब तो मिलते रहेंगे, अब तो लखनऊ आपके शरण में आ रहे हैं।
Suppose
नहीं यार बहुत सिलसिला है।
I'm going to Kashmir. Father-in-law has to stop it. And then he will sit down and marry.
No, I'm because umbrella and stuff.
See you. Bye.
Right, sir. Wishing you again. Thank you tremendously for your hospitality. Right, sir.
Section. Here you can be here. No, we're going by car to Lucknow. Very bad.
No, I think you must tell him. It's a very, very good
LBDL private. LBDL. Very renowned company.
looking busy doing nothing.
He was only behind me.
No, when they will shift it 6 months. We should have some motivation going for 4 years from now.
सर आप
जिम ज्यादा कर
Regular, याद रखना. Only the height matches.
राजू ओ राजू, नहीं आ रहे हो? गले मिलकर नहीं जाओगे? गले तो लग मिले
गाल लगा लो, बड़ा चिकना है।
दो दे।
The big two meat.
Say hi to your. Thank you. I'm making a pretty brochure.
All the best. Your grandbaby and everything.
Yeah, I know. Natural years and grandbaby. Right?
All Thanksgiving. Good wishes.
I told him there's no point in coming all the way there. तो अभी जा रहे हो लाल बाग हमको ड्रॉप करने के लिए।